Any pricing strategy you may have had sinks like the Titanic. Revenue leaks can be catastrophic. Everybody wants a pricing strategy. I was hired as the VP of Value and Pricing to provide a pricing strategy. Most clients have called me because they want a pricing strategy. Hell, I go to a cocktail party and sit in the corner until I start talking about strategy, and everyone gathers round like I'm giving away $100 bills. But I'm here to tell you, the fastest way to make money with pricing has nothing to do with strategy. Think of having a boat. When I was a kid, I loved to watch the hydroplanes race on the Detroit River. You could hear the roar of engines all over the city, like NASCAR on water. Here's a clip. Pricing strategy is like an unlimited hydroplane. When it's working, you're going for a hell of a ride. But when it's not, you can go for quite a tumble. One of the most important ways these racers stay safe is by being prepared. Maybe the most basic preparation of all is making sure that your boat does not leak. The fastest way to make money with pricing is stopping revenue leaks. I've seen it time and again. Revenue leaks will sink a strategy before it even has a chance to get started. So what are revenue leaks? Revenue leaks are typically price incentives you give that do not accomplish the desired end. For example, you give a customer a discount early in your relationship because they say they'll buy from you again. Then they don't buy from you again. You gave them the money, but they did not reciprocate. That's a revenue leak. In this video, I want to talk about two types of discounting and the revenue leaks associated with each. These are policy discounts and discretionary discounts. Let's start with policy discounting. Policy discounts, or sometimes I've even seen them referred to as strategic discounting, are planned in advance to encourage a certain type of behavior. One of the most popular policy discounts is a price incentive if a customer buys two products at the same time. I was working with a software company, and anytime product A was sold, the customer could buy product B for a 30% discount. In this case, I was talking to the business unit manager who was responsible for both products, and I asked how they decided on the 30% discount. He said he didn't remember. I asked if he thought he would lose any customers at all for product B if the discount was reduced from 30% to 20%. He said no. He would not lose a single sale. We immediately lowered the bundling discount to 20% and watched what happened. He was exactly right. He lost no sales, but he made an extra $10 million in profit. Boom! Revenue leak closed. By contrast, discretionary discounts are pricing flexibility given to sales in order to close deals. Historically, in tech companies, salespeople and managers have had huge discretionary authority to discount prices to close business. Sometimes, this authority can go as high as 70% of the list price. Think about what that might do to your strategy. In theory, it makes sense. Salespeople are in the best position to know what it'll take to close a deal and can adapt price to the price sensitivity of the customer. In reality, however, the theory routinely falls apart. If salespeople have 70% discounting authority, they'll immediately drop the price by 68% before starting to negotiate. Any pricing strategy you may have had sinks like the Titanic. These revenue leaks can be catastrophic for a pricing strategy. As of this recording in March 2021, we plan to offer a mini course on how to manage revenue leaks and discounting, including frameworks and tools for analysis. A link to our website is in the description below. Bottom line, if you want an effective pricing strategy, make sure you plug the revenue leaks first. Then your strategy will cruise at 65 miles an hour, the speed of the world's fastest sailboat. For more on L'Hydroptère and its creator, Alain Thibault, check this video. Or if you want more value in pricing secrets, click here.